Hi friends, today we are learning about the 8 planets of our solar system. Let's go on a space journey together.
Mercury. Mercury. The first planet is Mercury. It is the closest planet to the Sun.
Mercurio, Mercurio,
Venus.
Venus,
The second planet is Venus. It is the hottest planet in our solar system.
Venus,
Earth. Earth. The third planet is Earth. It is our home planet.
la Tierra, la Tierra,
Mars. Mars. The fourth planet is Mars. It is also called the red planet.
Marte, Marte,
Jupiter. Jupiter. The fifth planet is Jupiter. It is the largest planet in our solar system.
Júpiter, Júpiter,
Saturn. Saturn. The sixth planet is Saturn. It is famous for its beautiful rings.
Saturno, Saturno,
Uranus. Uranus. The seventh planet is Uranus. It looks blue and spins on its side.
Urano, Urano,
Neptune. Neptune. The eighth planet is Neptune. It is very windy and looks deep blue.
Neptuno, Neptuno.
So friends, now you know the 8 planets in English and Spanish. Which planet is your favorite? Comment below.